So the topic today really is a new way to think about the front end of our business. Okay, so when I talk about the front end, right, sales and finance here, we're not going to talk so much about finance today, but the sales end of it in negotiable priced goods vehicle selling. So if this is an RV, if this is a boat, if this is a car, if this is anything inside of power sports and Harley, this is applicable thinking right here. And we're not, because I want to make very clear on this, we're not inventing a new way. Right? We're just reporting on what we're seeing through these varied lenses that we have, right? So we've got almost 40 years of experience as operators inside of power sports. So that's one lens, right? We had 3 years of running Digital Lead Performance, right? Where we had a team of agents that handled on behalf of dealers, handled over 1 million leads, worked those leads, engaged with a customer, built value, moved to a set appointment on behalf of the dealer. So we see it through that lens. And now we're about 1.5 years in market with LeadHelm as a software, as a subscription product. And we look very specifically through this digital lead management lens right now. So we're kind of bringing an update on what we're seeing from all those different areas. And